Hi everyone, Essex Dave here. If it's your first time to my channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the notifications bell so you don't miss out on any of my future walkabouts around Hong Kong. I'm currently in Boundary Street and it is actually an old border. This is the most northern part of the Kowloon Peninsula on this side of the road, and on the other side of the road is the new territories. I'm on my way to Sham Shui Po to visit a street market. This street market is known as the junk market as well as the electronic gadgets market. So it's a bit of a kind of men's interest market. And we'll be there very shortly. This is Up Liu Street, also known as the electronics market or a flea market, and generally just known as the junk market. As you can see, individuals just bring all their goods, lay them out on the ground and try to sell them. They are of course illegal sellers. And then on this side you've got like antique sellers. A remote control for every electrical device, TV aerials, cables, all the accessories for your electronic equipment. Strong smell of leather, handmade leather bags, leather belts. Lots of fishing tackle, tools, second-hand power drills, plumbing accessories, antiques, real and fake, SIM cards. Beads, more and more simple. Cell phone accessories, strip lighting,
冬天からこれください。依間幾個水一單？係啊。啊！依間有。
CCTV, computer cables. As you can see, it is very vibrant and very lively. If you've enjoyed this quick walkabout of the Sham Shui Po junk market, please like the video, comment below or share. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next walkabout.